Welcome to Ilga online class. How are you all? Fine. Okay, students. Have you finished your breakfast? Okay. Students, say some days of the week. Do you know? Say days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Students, listen carefully. Repeat after me. Say days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, students, are you happy? Okay. What did we learn last class? Phonics sound. Anybody has it? What is this? Students, what is this? Watch. Very good. What is this? Watch. What is the beginning sound? Watch. Verse sound. What is the beginning sound? Verse sound. Very good. Previous class, verb sound. Next one, jump, D sound. Jump, dance, dog, D. Do you know? Yes. Next, now we are going to learn K sound, Y sound. K sound, sound, ear sound. Students, what is that? What is this, ma? What is this? Kite. Very good. What is this? Kite. Do you like kite? Yes, I play kite. What is the beginning sound? Kite. K. What is the beginning sound? K. What is the name of the letter? K. What is the name of the letter? K. Sound of the letter? K. Sound of the letter? K. K. Kite. K. Kite. Students, see. Allah, see me. How is it? How is it, students? What do you think? Yeah, very good. King. What? King. K. King. What is the beginning sound? King. K. What is the beginning sound? King. K. K sound. K. King. K. King. Students, see the slide. See the first picture. What is this? First picture. Kite. Kite. Second one. King. Second one. King. Second one. King. Third one. Key. Third one. Key. Last one. Kettle. Last one. Kettle. These are all K sound words. K sound words. Next one, Y sound words. Y sound words. See the first picture. Yawn. Yawn. Second one. Second one, what is this? Yawn. Yawn. Third one, yellow. Third one, yellow. Students, see what is this color? What is this color? Yellow color. Yellow color. What is this? Banana. What is this? Banana. Banana what color? Yellow color. Next one, last one, yaw. Last one, yaw. What is the beginning sound? Yaw. Y. What is the beginning sound? Y. Y. Yaw. Y. Yaw. Next one, verb sound words. Verb vegetables. Vegetables. Next, cursum. What is this? Kite. What is this? Kite. Kite. Next, king. 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 Next, key. Key. Next, kettle. Kettle. Next, yol. Next, yan. Yan. Next, yaw. Students, next one, beginning sounds. Yes or. Beginning sounds. Yes or. What is the sound? Name of the letter? Yes. Sound of the letter? Next, name of the letter? Or. Name of the letter? Or. Sound of the letter? Sound of the letter? Next one, see the pictures. What is this? Storm. Storm. Next one, red rose. Students, see the board. Superstar. What is the beginning sound? Super. What is the beginning sound? Students, what is the beginning sound? Super. What is the beginning sound? Super. Next one, star. What is the beginning sound? Star. Superstar. Next one, red rose. What is the beginning sound? Red. What is the beginning sound? Red. Rose. What is the beginning sound? Rose. Red. Rose. Superstar. Red rose. See the slide. Students, see. Superstar. Red rose. Superstar. Red rose. Okay, students. Next, whole word sections. Phonics section finished. Phonics section today what we learned? Cursive, earsound, bursound, oosound. Cursive, oosound, earsound. Today whole words. What did we see in the previous class? Whole words. 4 whole words. Fun. Whole words. Today we call the 4 whole words. Students, see the flashcard. What is this? Fun. First whole words, fun. Next one, warm. Next one whole words, warm. Next one, what is this? Play. Next, draw. Next one, draw. Fun, warm, play, draw. Fun, warm, play, draw. Okay, students. Next one, see the slide. I give the small activity. Students, take one worksheet book, page number 48. Page number 48, worksheet number 17. Worksheet number 17. you ready? Okay. Walk. Students, color the word, color the whole words. Walk. First whole words. Walk. Next one. Play. Next whole word. Play. Third one whole words. Fun. Last one. Draw. Walk, play, fun, draw. 4 whole words, coloring. I count 1 to 10. Color it quickly, students. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, students. Next, color the picture for the word you hear. Color the picture for the word you hear. Page number 49. Worksheet number 18. Worksheet number 18. Students, take your worksheet book. Worksheet 18. First question. Color the picture for the word you hear. First one, see the picture. What is this? First one, draw. First one, draw. Color it, students. Draw. Next, eat. Next picture, eat. Next one, play. Next one, play. Last one, walk. Last one, walk. You color it, students. First one, draw. Second one, eat. Third one, play. Fourth one, walk. Finish, students. I count 10 to 1. Color it quickly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish, students. Next, whole word section. Finish. Next one, reading and listening comprehensions. Next one is reading and listening comprehensions. This topic. Now we are going to learn vocabulary words. Vocabulary words. Students, see the picture. Can we guess it? What story? Very good. My family. My family. See the first picture. What is character? Character is any person or animal in the story. Character is any person or animal in a story. See the first picture. Who is character? Sister. Very good. Who is character? Sister. See the second picture. Who is character? Mother. Who is character? Mother. Very good. Third one. brother. So, 4 vocabulary words. First one is sister. First one, sister. Students, see the board. Whole word section finished. Next one, reading and listening comprehensions. Reading and listening comprehensions in first vocabulary words. First one, sister. First one is sister. Second one, mother. Third vocabulary words, father. Fourth vocabulary words, brother. Students, see first word. Spell the word. Yes, I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. See the second one. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Second whole word, mother. Next one, father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Third one whole words, father. Sorry, third one vocabulary words. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Fourth one vocabulary words, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Students, see first one whole words. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Next one, M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Next one, father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Next one, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. First one, sister. Next, mother. Third one, father. Next, brother. Okay, students? Are you understand? Okay. Take one notebook. Take one notebook and write it sister, mother, father and brother. Write quickly. Count 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, students, see the slide. Go to the next slide. First one, what is this? What is the story? Name of the story? Things we do. Very good. Things we do. See the first vocabulary words. What is this? Play. What he doing? He is play. He is play. First vocabulary words, play. Second one vocabulary words, what's he doing? She is eat. She is eat. Very good. Third one, what he doing? He is walk. He is walk. Third one vocabulary word, walk. Last one, what he doing? He is jog. He is jog. First vocabulary word, play. Second one, eat. Third one, walk. Fourth one, jog. Fourth one, jog. Students, see the board. Students, next one, writing and speaking expressions. Writing and speaking expressions. Students, see the slide. Take your worksheet book. Worksheet book, worksheet number 19, page number 50. Page number 50. Things and draw on the topic. Things we do. Things we do. First one, think and draw on the topic. Things we do. Any one picture you draw it in the story. Things we do. What we learned in the story, things we do. Students, say anyone. What we learned today? Be warm. My brother and I, my mother and I, my sister and I. Okay, students. Students, for example, my mother and I, we dance. My mother and I. Next, we dance. We dance. Students, see the board. Things we do. What the name of the story? Things we do. Things we do. My mother. Students, take your worksheet number 90. Take your pencil and 1. Okay students, finish students. Next one, how to write Y letters. How to write Y letter. Students, first one, slanting line. Next, slanting line. Third one, standing line. Third one, standing line. First one, slanting line. Second one, slanting line. Third one, standing line. Third one, standing line. You write 5 times. Students, take one notebook and pencil. I count 10 to 1. You write 5 times. Write quickly students. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish students. Next one. What did we learn today class? Phonic sound. What did we learn? Letter. Verse sound. Curse sound. Year sound. What did we learn? Curse sound. Verse sound. Year sound. Next one, whole words. Next one is whole words. What did we learn? 4 whole words. First one, fun, warm, play, draw. Fun, warm, play, draw. Another one, vocabulary words. Next one, vocabulary words. Mother, father, brother and sister. Next one, play, draw, eat, walk. Eat, walk. Another one, think and draw on the topic things we do. Things we do. Do the worksheet. Next one, how to write Y letter. Your writing practice. Students, next one, homework. Today, homework. See the slide. Read the words from Student Reader 25, Student Reader 26 and Student Reader 27. Read the words from Student Reader 25, Student Reader 26 and Student Reader 27. Next one, practice reading the whole words. Reading the whole words from Student Reader 31. Student Reader 31. Next one, solve worksheet number 17, question number 3. Color the words draw, play, fun, walk. Color the words draw, play, fun, walk. Next, worksheet number 18, question number 1. Color the label the picture. Color the label the picture. Okay students, thank you. Do the